My alarm goes off at 5:30 and I run across my room to switch it off. Straight away I go and take my vitamins. Then it's back to making the bed. Then I get my laptop out and start setting it up so it has time to warm up while I go downstairs. Here I am putting on my dressing gown and heading out. First of all, I go to the bathroom and wash my face with this simple face wash. The light in the bathroom is a bit dodgy, so here it is flickering. And then in the kitchen, I measure out 4 apricots, cut these up, and then add some boiling hot water and cook in the microwave for up to a minute. Whilst doing that, I make a cup of tea. Then I add half a cup of oats and some soya milk, mix it up. Then I just leave it in the microwave for about an hour and a half, so it has some time to soak up. Then it's on to eye cream and face cream. I don't actually wear sun cream because I'm inside all day. Then I brush my hair and use some of this System Professional hair oil on the ends. By this point, the laptop has warmed up a bit and is ready for me to get on with work. So I like to spend at least an hour in the mornings looking for jobs to apply for, doing job applications, civil service tests, completing my CV, and I also like to keep a table of jobs to apply for as well as the jobs that I have applied for and replying to emails and things like that. So I've got my final facts, a folder, and that little orange notebook is what I use for keeping track of jobs. Then I like to look for a workout to do. I do about 20 minutes to 30 minutes in the morning. So here I am just doing this favourite stretching one. So I get dressed into my workout clothes and then do a bit of stretching. Then I hurry up and get dressed. So this is my polo shirt, it's the smallest size they had available. Here's my trousers, smallest size as well. I don't know why everything is so ginormous. And then this is the fleece. Then I put on some makeup, not much because I'm not really seeing anyone important at work. Yeah, so it's a full-time job, 8 till 4, Monday to Friday, cleaning in a government building at a highly secure site. So I'm not employed by the government, I'm employed by an external agency. Pretty boring. Yes, my makeup routine is pretty quick, just like to get it all done. So I microwave the porridge for about 2 minutes. Then I add flaxseed, some raisins, a bit of smooth peanut butter, more soya milk, and then some golden syrup. Then it goes back in the microwave for about another 30 seconds. And I eat it quickly because I'm usually running late, as always. It's pitch black outside, but got to get to work. Then I just wear these Skechers trainers for work. We have to wear black trainers with minimal logos. Then I put this cashmere scarf on, get my bag, and go. Then I brush my teeth with my electric toothbrush and this Sensodyne toothpaste. Then I sprint downstairs, get to the car, switch it on, and zoom off to work.